Hi everyone, welcome back with me again at the channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to easily create this trending collage cutout effect for your videos in CapCut. So you just need to open the CapCut apps and then just head to the template, click on the search column and type in this keyword exo girl collage. Okay, and tap in the first one, this one's right here, and then you need to add 11 images. Just click on a use template and then choose the photos. Okay, I'm going to just add and that's it. Click on preview, wait for CapCut to generate the template for your photos. So when it's finished, your video will become like this, your photos I mean. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.